Spotty Land. It's Goofy here.
What the?
Okay, Goofy. Can you leave, please, now? Thank you. So today, Zay is joining with us. Goofy, didn't I tell you to leave? Yeah. Yeah, so Zay is joining with us, and we're playing. Do not press the button. Oh, no. I am getting shot by aliens.
Donald, that's what you're doing here.
Okay.
Donald, get out of here now.
Goofy's crazy. Why does Goofy keep on coming?
Even Donald Duck is here.
I know, right? Dodge the
Donald Duck.
lasers. Where are the lasers? Oh!
Oh, I didn't see them coming.
I didn't either, to be honest.
Okay, Donald Duck, can you please leave?
Heck, you're died!
Donald Duck, can you Goofy, can you please leave?
Why are Mickey Mouse characters showing up?
I don't know.
Where are we?
Donald Duck, get out of here. I'm surviving in a maze. Oh, look, I found an exit. That's easy.
Already?
No, is this the exit? Oh, it's not.
Oh, I just found a dead end.
Oh, poop. No, I'm in a glitch. Get off here, Donald. Not at the time, because I'm in a glitch. No, that's a dead end. I can barely see anything. What just happened? I'm in a glitch for some reason.
Ow!
What just happened?
That hurt. Watch out for the mummy. Where did the mummy come from? That's my question. Like, one minute there was no mummy.
I'm gonna have to
the next
even
minute.
rejoin.
Okay.
I'm in a glitch.
Oof.
Guys, hold up.
Okay, we're back. Think fast. Oh.
I'm the only one who survived.
No, I was like an inch away. Like a inch. Let me point the button.
Is Donald Duck still here? For what?
Look at the bottom.
I don't see anything. I hope that Mickey Mouse characters leave now.
Look down.
I am. Do you think the Mickey Mouse characters are gone?
Maybe. I hope.
Yeah.
I don't want them here.
Because they haven't talked for a while.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Are they in the game or what? How are they speaking? Do they have a mic on or what?
I have no idea what you're doing.
What you're talking about?
What? Why are they still here? At least Mickey and Daisy is here.
I know, right?
Or Minnie. And I actually survived. Reached the bottom.
Okay, another dropper. Oh, I remember this.
Yeah, we played this one
Last time that we were in the game and someone kept on trolling us.
Yeah. That we were not making a video of. Oh dang, where did the lasers come from?
I don't know.
I didn't die at all.
Congrats. You did not die. I'm so close. Please let me win this. Oh, I fell.
Watch out for
Watch
what?
out. I'm still falling.
Oh, no. Hola.
Yeah.
What happened?
We got giant.
I'm done. Yes, I don't need to go to the gym anymore. I'm done. Yeah.
Nah, you still need to go.
Oh, it's still tall.
Get to the other
Never
side.
mind, I'm not tall anymore.
How's this gonna help?
I fell off the map. I'm not tall. Tiny man. Tiny man.
I want to stay tall.
Then you can't die.
Ah, never mind. I want to stay tall. Never mind.
I never get to push the button. But now.
Well, if that blue guy pushes it. Who pushed it? The blue guy told you.
Whoa, what did that come from?
It fell from the sky. That's where it came from.
No, it came from this map. It came from... We still have a few giant...
Oh my.
I was right by that ramp again. Also, we still have one giant man. He's the one I was pressing the button.
Don't fall in the lava. Right there's gonna get hit. Okay. Ooh. I think everyone died.
No, the tall guy's still alive. For now.
He really wants to keep his tallness, don't he?
Yeah, he's gonna die in like a few minutes.
Hi, I'm Mickey Mouse. I'm joking. I'm Mickey Rat.
Mickey Rat?
Yeah.
Who watches Inquisitor Master? Oh, the big guy is still
I
alive.
don't care if I from Inquisitor Master. I up from YouTuber to YouTuber.
Okay.
Oh, voice crack.
Oh, the tall man died. He's not Tom anymore.
Poor him. He's still tall.
No,
Look at
that's
him.
someone else. No one's calling it. What is this, Sonic?
No, you fall and grab the string.
What is this, Sonic? You have to get wings? Does that make any sense? Do you watch Sonic 2 or 1?
What did she say? She said that she needed a little bit of time.
I got 2 so far. 3,
Make that 3 for me.
4,
Make that for in like a few minutes.
5.
I'm embarrassed.
I never get to push the button. Let me press the blue guy. Maddie won with 5 points. I was in second place then. I have 4 points. Did I press it?
Yes, you
I
did.
pressed it.
Congrats.
Let's see.
Enter the castle.
Nah. Look at how beautiful I am. Do I have that much money? How is that guy killing us?
Oh, this looks so fun. You should really enter the castle.
I'm looking for the
Oh my.
weapon that guy was shooting us with. I can't buy it.
Go in the castle.
No, I'm gonna die.
No, it's really fun.
Nah.
There's only 3 people that are alive in... Oh, more than 3 actually. I almost got the treasure. Almost. There's treasure in here.
That's it. That's what the crowd does. I was the money for nothing.
You made it. See the winners? Look at the winners so far.
I didn't even enter the castle.
Watch out!
That's it. I wasted coins for nothing. Those coins do nothing. Oh, so that's easy. This one's easy.
I think stuff's gonna rise or something.
Nope.
You don't know.
Nope, I played this.
Hi, I'm back!
Nope, I played. Get away, Goofy. Now I'm talking about you.
Why you yell mean?
Because you're not allowed to.
Why not?
Because I said so.
I am the most popular Disney character in the world.
No, Beauty and the Beast, the movie is.
No, it's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse, Clubhouse.
Put down in the comment who's the best Disney character.
Mickey Mouse made Disney famous, so he is the best. That's not true, but okay.
I can't escape the aliens. I've been abducted.
No, I can't escape. What? Oh, I escaped.
Find
Find the
Santa.
presents.
Find Santa.
Find the presents.
Find Santa. Help the presents find Santa.
I found 3. What shit? Oh, I thought we were supposed to potatoes.
Why is Donald Duck here?
Donald, you evil.
Oh, poop!
Why do you always say that? You make no sense whatsoever. Get to the water. What water? What water? Oh.
My rain cloud.
Oh! The water wouldn't kill you for one. Okay.
I have a cloud that brings flap.
Dad! We gotta get in here. Come on. Actually, if anything,
No, I want to die. Take me, Tsunami. Woohoo! Thank you, Tsunami, for taking me. Oh, dang, I found the biggest area to be. The tallest area you should be in. It's a big, giant yellow crane.
oh, I died.
And they didn't even survive at all.
I died. Mushrooms.
This is a horrible game.
I know, right?
Because
We are not playing Sonic the Hedgehog.
I may actually get 5 this time. Maybe 6. If I get this one.
If you get 5, then you're probably gonna beat everyone.
Nope. I got 6.
Then you did not beat me, because I got 10.
You
Who
dropped
won?
the most swings and 3, 2, 1. It was Maddie.
If by chance there was something else going on, or there's anything else going on, and then
Who pressed it?
piece, a little bit of song.
I don't know. I didn't.
Would you mind terribly?
Seems easy.
That sounds easy enough. Oh, we can't get out. Oh. So, it might do this side next. Oh. What if it does... Oh, no. I died. Why is there money everywhere?
Because someone has a money bag.
So
My
then-
cloud will bring flowers. Not gonna. We're under the sea.
Under the sea. Under
Who is
the
that?
sea. Under
Who is that?
I am sorry that I'm probably hurting y'all's
Who
ears.
is that?
What?
Is that the captain? Please tell me that.
That's the person trying to kill us, I think. Crack window. Over there. Okay, someone got it. Crack the window. Oh, I fixed it. Okay. We're starting to flood. Get the cracked windows, everyone.
We fell. There's a broken
I got it. No. I got it. I died.
Donald, let's get out of here.
Why is there so many Why is there Goofy and Donald Duck here?
Wally. Wally's here now? Where's Wally here now?
What are wrong with Disney characters right now?
Eva. Where's Wally still here?
Are we trying to make them on our side or their side?
I don't know at all.
Get the ball to the other side, okay. No, we have to get it to their side.
No, we're on red team.
It says get to the other side. No, we're on blue team.
No?
Trust me, we don't want the most balls. It says tie. It's not good. Who clicked the button? Are we allowed to walk on everything?
I don't really want to play anymore.
Well, guys, I think this is the best time to end the video.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.